Building a candle business is not just about wax and wicks. It's about who walks with you while you build it. Let me ask you something. Who do you text when a candle tunnels and you have no idea why? Who understands when a market completely flops and you're sitting in your car wondering if you should ever keep doing this? Who celebrates with you when you land your first wholesale account? Today, we're talking about why you need an accountability partner or a mentor in your candle business. And it's not just because it sounds nice, but because it can literally change your growth trajectory. If you've been doing this for any amount of time, you already know this is true. Candle making can be lonely. Your friends and family don't always get it. They think it's just a hobby. They don't understand margins. They don't understand wholesale pricing. They definitely don't understand cure time. And when something goes wrong, you start doubting yourself quietly. You question your pricing. You question your branding. You question whether the market's saturated. And you question whether you should even continue. Isolation slows your growth. When you sit in your head too long, everything feels heavier than it actually is. Now let's talk about accountability. There is something powerful about saying your goals out loud, not just writing it in a notebook, not just thinking about it, saying it to another human being. When I say, I'm launching this new collection in 30 days, or I'm finally getting my Shopify store set up, or I'm going to pitch 10 new wholesale accounts this week, and someone says, okay, I'll check back with you next week, everything changes. Without accountability, you delay, you overthink, you tweak those labels 17 times, you test one more wick, you stay in that research mode forever. But with accountability, you move because you know someone's going to ask. And that small layer of pressure is actually a gift. Now let's talk about mentors. I can think of so many mistakes that we made early on. I mean, so many mistakes. Ordering too much inventory, pricing too low, spending money in the wrong places, not knowing how to approach wholesale the right way. There are thousands of dollars and probably months and months of stress that could have been reduced if we had someone a few steps ahead guiding us. A mentor like that can spot blind spots that you don't see. They can give clarity when you're overwhelmed, and they can encourage bold decisions when you're playing small. They can also help you avoid costly mistakes. Now, here's the distinction. Accountability partner is someone walking beside you, and a mentor is someone a few steps ahead. And both matter, and ideally, you have access to both. Let's get real for a second. There are going to be hard moments in this business. When a candle line flops, when you pour your heart into a launch and it barely moves, when a market underperforms and you're counting the hours until it ends, when a wholesale account completely ghosts you and you thought you had landed it, when imposter syndrome creeps in and tells you that you're just not qualified to be doing this. When you have a community, that community is going to remind you, you're not crazy, you're not behind, you're not alone. Sometimes you don't need strategy. You need someone saying, that happened to me too, keep going. Okay, so let's make this practical because it's one thing to say you need community and it's another thing to actually build it. So let's talk about some different ways that you can find this community. One is going to be Facebook groups, but you got to be intentional. Not all groups are created equal. We actually have the Candle Business Pro Facebook group. There's lots of others out there. Some are full of drama. Some are full of fear. Some are full of misinformation. Look for groups where there are active discussions. The tone is encouraging. People are talking real business, not just complaining. Pay attention to the people that consistently show up with thoughtful comments that are giving really valuable information, and message them. It can be that simple. Just say, hey, I've seen you comment in this group a lot. I'm building my candle business too. Would you want to check in with each other each week and keep each other accountable? That's it. Simple, direct, powerful. You can meet some fantastic people in groups, but you have to be intentional about reaching out to them. All right. So another way that you can find that accountability partner or mentor is out at markets. This one I think is massively underrated. Markets are not just sales opportunities. They are relationship opportunities. Introduce yourselves, compliment their setup, ask about their journey, follow them on Instagram and message them after the event. Some of the strongest connections are formed in the middle of folding tables and those long market days. In fact, we have made so many good friends within our business that in our brick and mortar stores, we carry other candle makers, other products. We have one that makes soaps, so we carry her soaps. We have one that makes perfumes, so we carry her perfumes. And we made those connections and those friendships basically out at market. So something for you to consider doing. All right. So the third way of making those connections is just right there on social media. You don't need to personally know someone to connect. Message some makers whose branding you really admire, comment consistently, share their launches, support their growth. People bond through shared launches, shared struggles, shared vulnerability. You don't need 50 people. You need, say, 2 or 3 real people. Number 4 is going to be local creative communities. Think beyond just candle making. Think about your Chamber of Commerce events, co-working spaces, craft workshops, even online masterminds. Also some structured paid programs. Paid communities often filter for more serious people, where the free communities can be amazing, but you need to be able to discern in there some. So put yourself in rooms where growth is actually normal and where it's happening. And number 5, of course, I have to recommend the Inner Circle. At candlebusinesspro.com/inner circle, you can learn more or in the comments below. This is a community that we have built. This is where makers thrive. We have weekly check-ins, live Q&A calls, dedicated accountability threads, real-time feedback, direct mentorship. Inside our Inner Circle, we have Accountability Mondays. We have weekly office hours. We have members who came in saying, I'm scared to launch. And a few months later, they're celebrating their first $1,000 month. We have so many makers that are thriving in wholesale since they joined our community. And this doesn't happen just because we handed them some magic or anything like that. It's because they were surrounded by people moving forward at the same time. It is not just about content. It's about connection. So now let's flip this. And how can you be a good accountability partner? It's not just about finding someone. It's about finding someone worth partnering with. Show up consistently. Be honest about your goals. Celebrate their wins, not just yours. And you got to give constructive feedback when it's needed. Do not disappear when things get hard. Respect each other's time. Community only works when both sides commit. Now, some red flags that you're going to want to avoid. Your growth environment matters. Avoid chronic negativity. Avoid people who compete instead of collaborate. Avoid constant drama. Avoid people who always ask but never give. We all know those people. Energy matters a lot more than we might think. It matters to us, and I'm sure it matters to you. You can build a candle business alone, but it will be slower, it will be heavier, and it will be lonelier. And I think that was the biggest thing for us. Or you can build surrounding by other people that get it, that will celebrate your wholesale wins, that will help you troubleshoot your wick testing, that will remind you why you got started in the first place. Your why matters a lot. If you already have an accountability partner, text them today and just say thank you. And if you don't, reach out to one person this week. And if you're craving structure, mentorship, and consistent support, come sit with us inside the Inner Circle. You do not have to do this alone. Find your candle people. We hope that we're going to be that for you, because community changes everything. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Come and join us in the Inner Circle, or you can just visit candlebusinesspro.com for lots of free resources that we have out there today, or join our Facebook group that I mentioned earlier today, where we keep it drama free and we encourage support and consistently showing up. Have a great day.